Polk County judge has issued an injunction to temporarily block Iowa's fetal heartbeat law.
Our Griffin Wright joins us live from outside the courthouse in downtown Des Moines with more on where abortion stands in our state right now. Good morning, Griffin.
Good morning, Justin and Kaylin. So the reason why the judge filed that injunction was to let the legal challenge against the fetal heartbeat law play out. That leaves the future of abortion in Iowa as uncertain as ever as we wait for that case to make its way through the courts.
We are hoping that this order stays in place for as long as possible. Right now, if the state doesn't do anything to appeal, the order does stay in place for the pendency of the litigation. And so that could be, months and months. If the state does seek an appeal in this case, however, there's a chance that it will be stayed by the Supreme Court. All of that is in the states, the ball's in the state's court on that issue.
The fetal heartbeat bill passed in 2018 faced a similar injunction that took months to resolve. The judge ruled yesterday that the Iowa Board of Medicine could still go forward with writing rules about the implementation of the fetal heartbeat law, which is important for doctors to have when an emergency happens during pregnancy.
In emergency situations that come up, because every pregnancy has the possibility of becoming an emergency, you are left calling your hospital attorneys or trying to figure out what kind of care you can do to save this woman's life. And they say there are exceptions for the life of the mother, but it's extremely unclear what moment, how sick that woman has to get before it can save her life. When can I intervene?
So as it stands right now here in Iowa, abortion is still allowed after 6 weeks. However, we're going to have to see if that's going to continue to be the same way once that case makes its way through the court system.
Yeah, it'll definitely be a journey through the court system there. Governor Reynolds saying that she's willing to take it to the Iowa Supreme Court. Thank you, Griffin Wright, reporting live outside the Polk County Courthouse.